Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Firefox. If you're a Firefox user, the browser, if you go in the upper right hamburger menu, go into Help and About Firefox, you will see that it will go to version 128.0.2, and that is because it has some bug fixes. One of them, particularly important for some, there could be some ad block problems on the original 128. So if you have an ad blocker that doesn't work well, .02 fixes that. And there's several other things like on Mac computers, there's echo and video calls. In PCs, you have screen readers for those that use screen readers for disabilities, for example. They didn't work well with version 128, so that fixes a glitch there. And quite a few other little things, including one with the way that it behaves on the internet while streaming video, and quite other little fixes. So no security in here, just really bug fixes, just things to make it work better, basically. And if you had any issues, if you had anything not going well, this is, of course, going to fix it. So we're moving on, of course, to other versions while we're waiting for Chromium browsers to update soon to probably a new version. Firefox has been fixing its bugs for the time being. So just check it out. It should update automatically, and if you have no issues or nothing, anyways, it updates in the background. And like I said, since it's not anything security, it's not urgent, so it will simply do it by itself if you don't go and check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.